So my daughter Akshara joined Alpha Montessori when she was 2 year old, and that's an age when so between 1 to 5 years, that's the time where babies and kids have their brain development going on, and that is the peak period where the brain develops, and it is essential to have a kind of skill which can be given to them, and as a parent we can do much, but definitely when Akshara joined Montessori, Alpha Montessori at 2 year old, we had a very wonderful experience. She not only developed her motor skills and fine motor skills, she also developed social and emotional intelligence, which is very important for a child's growth. I'm very much happy with her growth, and now that she is graduating into kindergarten and will be in kindergarten this year and now graduating out of Alpha Montessori. Definitely, we feel that the foundations what Miss Rupali and her group of teachers have helped us in growth of my daughter Akshara. That is going to definitely help, and it's going to go a long way. When she grows up to a very mature and very socially responsible and very smart person.